So this is the product from boAt. Airdopes Flex 454 comes with ANC, active noise cancellation, and some highlighting features. Yeah. So it has in-ear detection, boAt headphones app support, boAt Smart Talk, quad mic with ENX technology, boAt speak through, boAt adaptive EQ, boAt signature sound. Okay, so we will go through each of the features in details in the video. So stay tuned. Made in India product from boAt. Let's unbox it. So time to open the sale. Sweet. Come on, open it up. Okay, so this is the product. We have the AirPod itself. As you can see, the tagline, leave the sound. Some accessories and these two little sweet box. So this one is the type A to type C charging cable RF. And another box inside that. There's some extra ear tips. Alright. And what else do we have in the box? Yeah, I assume nothing. Yeah, right. Actually, no, we have another box like structure. What is inside it? I'm unable to open it. Come on, open it up. Yeah. So here's the paper box. The 1 year manufacturing card. Sorry, manufacturer warranty. Hey, boAt head. Airdopes manual. You get to know all about the functionalities, the features, how to use from this manual. Okay. Apart from that, we have some stickers from boAt as usual. Okay, these funky stickers we have. 4 stickers we have, yeah, right. So let's get all of this aside. So now let's focus on the main product. This is our boAt Airdopes 454 ANC. This is the charging port with the pairing button. It's a good thing they have provided a pairing button. Yeah, now you can see it better, right? And the build quality is solid plastic with a matte finish. It's a bit bulky, as you can see. So this is the thing. Yeah. So we have this boAt Airdopes 454 ANC, as you can see from the official website of boAt. The price is mentioned here is $17.99. That is close to 1800 sorry. But I got it for only 1200 rupees from Swiggy Instamart. Yes, you heard it absolutely right. Not from Flipkart, not from Amazon, even not from the official boAt website. I got it at 1200 from Swiggy Instamart. So as you can see, these features, the active noise cancellation feature and in-ear detection. So in-ear detection is basically whenever you put your earphones off, the music automatically pauses, and when you wear your earphone again, the music starts again. Okay, so Smart Talk feature, we'll see about it later. And the touch control to change music, to increase and decrease volume and play pause song. And it has dual connectivity feature as well. And the beast mode obviously comes with almost every earphone from boAt. The beast mode comes with it. It has a 10mm drivers as you can see, and 32 decibel active noise cancellation with multi-connectivity, as I already said earlier. And also these are the features you can say. Okay, so it has the 60 millisecond low latency mode, good one for gaming. And alright, so it has music playtime up to 12 hours per charge, up to 48 hours. That is, you can charge it 4 times once you fully charge the case. And it has 480 mAh battery, and also IPX5 rating. So water splash and sweat doesn't get any, so it doesn't give it a harm. Okay, so it comes with Bluetooth version 5.2, as you can see, and the Type-C port. Already I mentioned about it. Yeah, so these are the features of both Airdopes 454 ANC. Now let's connect it with our device and get into the depth of these features. Alright, to download the app, alright, we need to first there is, yeah, so this QR code, this one we need to scan first. I don't know whether it will scan it or not, because my tab doesn't have that much efficient camera. Still I'll try.
Okay, so this QR code was not actually for downloading the app. It's for product authenticity, to check product authenticity. Sorry, my bad. We'll download it from here. This one, right?
Okay, so this is the app name, saying Hearables app. Alright, let's try it. So in Play Store, not Play Games, Play Store, we search for this Hearable app. This one, I believe. Install it. Okay, so it's a 150 MB app. 150 MB app for music support. Oh my goodness, I don't know what they have given in the app. Let's wait until the app gets installed. So to connect the all new boat Airdopes Flex 454 ANC, we need this app from Boat. It's called Boat Hearables. We'll just connect and allow it. Okay, so this is the interface you get. Get set to trend. Alright, so I need to log in with my Google account. So it's logged in, right? Enabling the location. Yep. And here we are. At the same time, we'll just open our device. As you can see, when you open the lid, a white light blinks here, and if we press add a device, it will show all available devices from Boat, the neckbands, the Airdopes, headsets, everything, as you can see here. Okay, but back. So it's already showing Boat Airdopes Flex. Let me just connect it with allow access contacts pair. Setup. Okay, so as you can see, got disconnected when you turn off the lid and with the blue light indication, right? So to reconnect it, we just open it again and reconnect. It's connected. So there are three options here: sound, touch and system. As you can see, with the left button, with the left earpod, with one tap you can play and pause, and with two taps go previous and next. Similarly with the right one, system, under system tab, voice call command. So that thing especially works when you need to answer or reject the call with your voice. So let me just turn it on while using this app. Okay, allow. In-ear detection is already on. So it's basically, as I already said, that when you put off your earphones, the music automatically pauses, and when you wear it again, the music plays. It starts to play. Multiple connectivity. With the help of this, you can actually connect to multiple devices. As I'll show you just a minute. This device is already connected to my tablet, right? Now it will be connected with this device as well. Yeah, so as you can see, it's already connected. At the same time, it's connected with the laptop, with the tablet as well. At the same time, it's connected to the tablet as well. Right? So this is the multi-connectivity feature. Okay, so if I diagnose my device here, it will just check whether the features are working properly or not. So with the help of this application and features, you can just convert it to from normal mode to ambient mode. To ANC mode.